Rumah kurang naik rumah tu, belum razrang.
Ay biar makan. Oh. Tabak, ya bro. Coba perang thare. ID card ada terus.
Kontak saya simak ha,
Dai orthal mo chomote.
Rin na. Itu mia.
Oh.
Thank you everyone. Today we Tiprasa, Ampi Subzonal, ADC Village Gamaku. So we are doing some walks, cleaning market areas and building some urinal sets around there. And we provide some dustbins also. I'm very happy as here our respected chairman and Ampi block, vice president also with us. So I'm very happy. So I would like to thank Bubagra as he's a great example and what he have done to his people and fight for us and support us. So we are very happy, we are thankful. So we also we fully support to our Bubagra and we love our Bubagra. Thank you.